Okay, we're coming out the next morning to go check on the animals. All of the freezing rain has stopped, but we got probably about 1/4 of an inch of ice on all of the branches and all over our fencing. Everybody's still inside though, so that's good. So all of our animals love animal crackers. Give them a couple more. Adding a little hot water to try to defrost their water buckets. Looks like the goats are all still in, so that's a good sign. Hold on, honey. Back up. Okay. Can try to squeeze through. That is one frozen gate. Well, I'm gonna spend a little bit of time and see if I can de-ice some of the fence without breaking it. We'll see how this goes. I was able to get some of the electric fencing propped back up. All the way to the ice was pulling it down pretty good and bending the posts over. I was trying to go through and break up all of the ice that's on all of the vertical pieces because there's no wire electrode in them. All the horizontal runs I was trying to leave them alone because I don't want to break the conductors for the electric fence. Luckily it's starting to warm up, so hopefully I got it propped up. Hopefully it'll keep the animals in until everything thaws out. Time will tell.